Welcome to my channel Modern Tech Insights. Which is the best guest post tool in 2024? Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. If you're a marketer, blogger, or just someone looking to bolster your online presence, you know that guest posting can be a game changer for your SEO strategy and brand visibility. But with so many tools out there, which one's the best in 2024? Today, we're diving into that question and giving you the scoop on the top guest post tools of the year. Segment 1: Importance of guest posting. First, let's talk about why guest posting is so vital. It helps you build authority, gain backlinks, and reach a wider audience. According to recent studies, nearly 70% of marketers claim that guest blogging has resulted in increased brand exposure. So, having the right tools can make this process a lot smoother and more effective. Segment 2: What to look for in a guest post tool. But what makes a great guest post tool? Look for capability in these areas: research features, outreach management, tracking links, and of course, a quality database for finding sites to guest post on. With that in mind, let's jump into our top picks for 2024. Segment 3: Top guest post tools. Alright, let's start with our first contender. BuzzStream. BuzzStream is a heavy favorite among marketers for its robust outreach management features. It helps you build relationships, manage emails, and track your outreach efforts all in one place. Plus, its ability to research websites makes finding guest post opportunities a breeze. Ninja Outreach. Next up is Ninja Outreach. It's perfect for finding influencers and bloggers in your niche. With its extensive database and powerful search filters, you can connect with potential sites easily. The built-in outreach automation saves so much time. Ahrefs. Of course, we can't forget about Ahrefs. Although primarily an SEO tool, its backlink checker allows you to see who is linking to competitors, making it easier to find opportunities for guest posting on relevant sites. Pitchbox. Then we have Pitchbox, a fantastic tool for automating your outreach. It provides customizable pitches and follow-up templates, which can greatly increase your response rates. Plus, its ability to integrate with SEO tools makes it a potent choice. Write for Us. Lastly, we have Write for Us, a platform dedicated to connecting guest bloggers with sites seeking content. It has an easy-to-navigate interface, making it a go-to for many new bloggers. Segment 4: Comparing the tools. Now that we've covered the tools, how do you choose the right one for you? Consider your budget, the scale of your outreach, and whether you prefer a dedicated guest posting platform or a multifunctional tool. Each has its strengths, so think about what aligns with your goals. Segment 5: Conclusion. So, which is the best guest post tool in 2024? It really depends on your needs. BuzzStream is great for relationship building, Ninja Outreach excels in outreach, while Pitchbox automates the tedious parts of the process. If you're looking for a comprehensive SEO solution, Ahrefs is unbeatable. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up and share with your networking buddies. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights into digital marketing and content strategies. Until next time, happy guest posting!